Yo guys, today I want to show you how to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar. Before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, looking to your Slack channel and head over to this red left side part dashboard. Click on more here and click on tools. Now head over to apps and search for Google Calendar. Click on it and click on open app and install it if this Google Calendar is not yet installed on your Slack. But I already installed it. So now let's head over to our profile picture here. Click on it. Click update your status and choose automatically updates. Click choose this option and everything based on your Google Calendar. So by clicking on this, your status will be updated automatically based on your Google Calendar meeting. So if you're in a meeting, so your status will be in a meeting in that exact moment of the Google Calendar meet. And click on turn on, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and